Good morning, everyone. Jana here, bringing you the buzz from the crypto cosmos. We have a lot to unpack, so let's start. We have the FOMC statement and press conference today. Brace for market volatility. Who will win, bears or bulls? Maybe you will find the answer in the news. Stay with me. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF might have trading support of heavyweights, like Jane Street, Jump and Virtue, according to CoinDesk. The Vitalik holding address, Vitalik.eth, transferred 100 Ethereum, worth $181,000 USD, to Coinbase today. Previously, Vitalik stated that he had not sold Ethereum for personal benefit since 2018, mainly donating it to a charity or nonprofit organization or other projects. Binance listed TIA perpetual contract. Tether releases its attestation for Q3 2023. Cash and cash equivalent portion of reserves is all-time high at 85.7%, yielding around $1 billion. US T-bill, direct and indirect exposure at $72.6 billion, reduced secured loans by $330 million. Investments in energy, Bitcoin mining, and P2P tech are not considered in the reserves. Excess reserves are stable at $3.2 billion. The volatility of Bitcoin and gold had a minimal impact on excess reserves, providing solid risk management practices. BTCO, the ticker for the Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin ETF, now shows on the DTCC website, marking a step forward in the fund's application process. According to web archiver Wayback Machine, no listing under the ticker BTCO was present on October 25th, meaning that the ETF has been added to the list sometime in the last 6 days. Decentralized exchange Hashflow to share revenue with token stakers starting today, according to the block. But there is a catch. 74% of supply is going to be released on November 7th. The Onyx protocol hack leads to around 2.1 million losses by exploiting a known rounding issue behind the popular Compound V2 fork. Note that the same bug was exploited in an earlier 100 Finance hack, with around 7 million in losses. DWF Labs received a total of 120 million token, worth $3.67 million on Ethereum and BSC. Taiwan police uncovered Taiwan's largest cryptocurrency money laundering case, involving 320 million USDT. Criminal suspects often travel to Hong Kong, the Philippines, Malaysia, and other places to communicate with local fraud groups and assist in money laundering. Alameda Research and FTX deposited another $8.12 million worth of 3 assets to Coinbase, including GRT, $4.85 million, Render, $2.3 million, Maker, $967,000. Until now, they have deposited a total of around $78.1 million in 22 assets on centralized exchanges. The current balance left is worth $701 million in various assets. Binance to shut down ruble payment partnership. According to the Wall Street Journal, Binance plans to shut down a partnership with a payments firm that allowed customers to move funds held at sanctioned Russian banks to the cryptocurrency exchange. PayPal approved for UK's crypto register accordion to CoinDesk companies offering crypto services in the UK must be approved for registration and comply with the FCA's anti-money laundering rules. That's it, guys. Have a nice week and don't be the prey. And by the way, you will find useful links in the description.